All right, Bobcats, we're taking a look at your learning map here for the week. Last week, we learned how to do some things with our learning map. We learned how to come in and be able to check off the things that we have done. So after you've done those read alouds, you can check those off. One thing that I wanted to talk to you about too was being able to set a focus for yourself. So using the highlighting tool, I want you to be able to go through each morning and go, things I really want to do. I want to know a lot about friction, so I want to set that goal for myself. So you're highlighting through your goals. I want to get that done today. I want to check out art. And then as you achieve your goals, you can switch it back over to the pen and be like, hey, I set that goal and I did it. I finished that work today and it is all finished. And it does really help to see that checklist going away and to see yourself working towards those goals. So Bobcats, again this week, I want you setting goals and I want you to track your learning. And one thing I would just really love to also see is I'd love to see Bobcats hopping in on these virtual meetings and checking in. It is great to see each other's faces. And here are the agendas. Here are the things that you can expect to have happen so that you can prepare yourself for the virtual meetings. So on Monday, we're going to have our virtual birthday party. And we're going to celebrate all the birthdays we've missed. And we're going to review the ones that we've already celebrated because, we all want to celebrate. We're going to talk about our March Madness books. We did not have a lot of people turn that in this past week. So it's really hard to pick a book when I'm only having 3 people vote. It's a super easy read aloud, listen to the story and vote. Let's get more people on that this week. And then we're going to, if you want to, hop off after that, that's fine. And those of us who are working together on a book, you can stay on for the book talk. Wednesday for math talk, we're going to review math from this week, things I thought, things I now know. We're going to do how many pockets again. Last week was really fun because we had almost twice as many pockets as the week before. And it's a great way to review number strings. And we're going to review money and then have time for share. On Friday, we're going to do a cheer for the greeting. We're going to share things I learned this week. And our activity is going to be a scavenger hunt. Phonics this week, we will do long E pattern again. Check out that lesson on Seesaw. Writing, Miss Pedersen has put together some really great activities this week with poetry. Check those out on Seesaw. The specials teachers have all listed some really fun activities. Guess what? Check it out on Seesaw. Science this week is focusing on force and motion. What is friction? What is motion? What causes that? Check it out on Seesaw. Social studies, you're going to learn more about being part of a community, working. What did work used to look like? What does work look like now? What do careers look like during the coronavirus? So check those out on Seesaw. Math, there is a lot of great things. Mr. Honecker has some Seesaw lessons. Make sure you're still doing your dream box. Last week I was really proud. I had Avril, Gabby, Jaden, and Lucy completing Seesaw lesson, Dreambox lesson. So get on there and get some Dreambox done. Your math problem of the day on Seesaw. Number Talks by Number Man on Seesaw. Miss Pedersen has this really cool game you can check out. And there is a read aloud from Miss Pedersen on Seesaw. In reading, again, there's the Seesaw lessons given out by the division. There are the Enrichment March Madness books, and then you can read on Epic and Story Online. So Bobcats, there are a lot of ways to continue learning this next week. Pick the ones you want to do, set your goals, and I can't wait to see your success at the end of the week.